What's up? Happy end of the week. I want to give you guys a little motivation, a little inspiration. I just came off the biggest sales day of my life, the biggest sales month of my life, all because I've started thinking bigger. And I'm telling you what, I want to make this video even more you-focused than I've ever done, because I'm telling you, you are capable of so much more than you realize if you start to think bigger, start to take action. What I want to stress tonight is burn the freaking bridge. And what I mean by that is I didn't used to get that. I heard it at sales conferences. I've heard it from salespeople. I've heard it from mentors. I've heard it from, all these people. Burn the freaking bridge. And what I mean is when you think about something and you know what needs to happen, because deep down in your business, you know what's holding you back. You know you need to spend that money. You know you need to make the call. There's things that you know that you need to do. Burn the bridge and do it. I promise you, it won't fail you. I won't fail you. You'll be so much happier when you burn the bridge and do it. I own 4 companies right now. We're launching the 4th on Monday. We have a call center, a little mini call center, final expense and Medicare. We know that we need to get to about 1,200 leads a month to get to where we need to go, app-wise, revenue-wise. But maybe we're not comfortable burning the bridge and spending the money. April is I'm telling you, the reason March was the biggest month of my life is because I burned the bridge and I invested and spent more money than ever before. It would blow people's mind how much money I spent in the month of March, and you can too. I'm telling you what, I get calls from agents every single day. They're like, hey, I don't know what to do. Should I invest the money? Should I buy leads? The answer is always yes. Burn the bridge, do whatever you know it takes to succeed, invest in your business, and spend the freaking money. You'll be happy you did. The reason 92% of agents fail is they don't think big enough and they don't burn the bridge and go all in. I mean, there's agents right now that they know what needs to happen, and they're like, hey, if I just grind it out selling Medicare, final expense for 3 years, if I do this, this, and this, it'll be a slow road. In 3 years, I'll be a millionaire. In 3 years, I'll be making 100K, whatever it is. Why 3 years? If you know what needs to happen and you know the numbers, you know your system, just get there now. Take the action, spend the money so that you can get results in your 2nd month, your 3rd month that you normally wouldn't get till your 36th month or your 48th month. Think bigger and take more action. Something I love to do is write down my goals every single morning. What's hilarious is my goals, I did something this past weekend. It really invigorated me and energized me. I looked at my goals from 6 months ago and I laughed out loud. I looked at my diary and looked at my goals from a year ago and I laughed out loud because they were freaking small. I mean, when we're capable of so much more than we realize, and we don't realize that when we think we're thinking big, we're really, truly not. And so in March, I burned the freaking bridge. Just in Secure Agent Mentor and Star, we had the best 2 months of those 2 companies that I own that we've ever had. But we burned the bridge and we spent more money than most people make in a year. We spent that in a month. Because we knew that that's what needed to happen for us to get there. So I want to challenge you. You know what you need to do. I want to challenge you to get there. Set crazy big goals and set them even bigger. The bigger you think, the better, I promise. The bigger you think, the more you will earn, I guarantee it. Also, once you set those goals, figure out the crazy amount of action you need to take. If you need to go get a line of credit, freaking do it. Spend the money. Invest in your business. When you think about something, if you can take one thing away from this that I can help you get to where you need to get